Listen to the audio and identify. What happened? What injuries does the person have?
Yesterday, Emma was walking home after work. She wasn't paying attention because she was looking at her phone. Suddenly, she tripped over a small rock and fell onto the sidewalk. She hurt her knee and her hands. Now she has a big bruise on her knee and a few small cuts on her hands.
Jake was riding his bicycle very fast in the park. He lost control and fell off his bike. He landed on his arm and started crying. At the hospital, the doctor said he had broken his arm. He also had a few scratches on his legs.
Sarah was playing football with her friends. While she was running, she suddenly twisted her foot. She couldn't continue playing because she had sprained her ankle. It became swollen very quickly.
Michael was helping his mother prepare dinner. While he was cutting some vegetables, the knife slipped and he cut his finger. It was bleeding, so they cleaned the wound and put on a bandage.
Last weekend, Olivia was skiing for the first time. She lost her balance and crashed into a small fence. She hurt her shoulder and hit her head. Luckily, she was wearing a helmet. The doctor said she had a bruised shoulder, but nothing was broken.
Daniel was cleaning the house when he slipped on the wet kitchen floor. He landed on his wrist and felt a sharp pain. At the hospital, the X-ray showed that he had broken his wrist.